In this video, I'm going to discuss the longest square streak in an array problem which occurred in today's Leetcode contest. It states that you're given an array and you have to first sort it and check out the subsequences where the next element is the square of the previous element. So yeah, you have to find out the longest such subsequence. Okay, so for 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16. So there is a subsequence of length 3. For 3 square is 9, nothing is there. So for this 3 there is length 1. For length 1 we are not considering. Okay, for length 1 we are just giving -1. So and then 4 4s are 16, so this becomes 2. 6 is 36, nothing is there. So 1, 8 is 64, nothing is there. 1, so the largest is 3. So this is what the answer is. Okay, so for 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 it is already sorted. For 2 there is no 4. For 3 there is no 9. For 5 no 25. 6 no 36. 7 no 49. Okay, so the answer would be 1 actually, but since we are ignoring 1 we are writing it as -1. Okay, so now let's go into the code. First we have to sort the array. You know the function. For Java you can write arrays dot sort arr. For Python you know that. Okay, I won't discuss it. So you have to insert a hash map or vector or map, whatever you feel like, and then in size is equals to -1, and then run a loop from I is equal to 0 to num dot length, and let's say initialize one variable answer as square root of nums I. Okay, and if check that answer into answer is nums I, that is answer is the perfect square root of nums I. Okay, this is the condition for whether it's the perfect thing or not. And then if map dot contains key answer, so that is we have already found that the square root of that element is present earlier. So in that case we are going to map dot put nums I comma map dot get answer plus 1. That is, for that element you're going to find the count of the previous element and plus 1, because one element is getting added to that subsequence. Okay, so if map dot get answer plus 1 is greater than size, then size equals to map dot get answer plus 1. Okay, that is, if that is greater, this is a simple concept of largest number. Okay, that concept. So after done, if it is not present in the array, or it is not a perfect square root, in that case you have to put nums I comma 1. That is, you are going to initialize that there is a subsequence where the nums I is the first element, and thus the size of that subsequence is 1. Okay, so let me do this with this one. Okay, let's put the sorted array. It's 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 16. Okay, so let's say your map. Okay, so first map contains 2 comma 1. Okay, then it contains 3 comma 1, because square root of 3 is 1, and it's not the perfect square root. Square root of 2 is 1, not the perfect square root, like that. 4, square root of 4 is 2, and it's a perfect square root. 2 is present in the map. Yes, it is present in the map. So now there is a new thing, that is 4 comma 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then 6, square root of 6, it doesn't have a perfect square root, so it becomes 6 comma 1. For 8, there is no perfect square root, so it's 8 comma 1. For 16, 16 has a perfect square root, that is 4, and it's the element over here is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the greatest of this? 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. 3 is the greatest, so we simply print 3. Now you may ask that why 1, if what if 1 is the answer and you have to print -1 in that case, that you have to return -1 in that case. So that we are eliminating, because when we are putting 1 to the array, we are not checking any condition for the largest. Okay, and by default the value of the size is -1. So that is this is the basically the pseudo code for this. I hope this is clear. Let me give you a better view. Thanks.